In front of me is NOKIA G42, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, just click on Theme section, scroll all the way down and hit Show More at the bottom right corners. Then tap on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, you can always go back to the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!